What's been happening today, Dr. Lee?
We are celebrating the grand opening ribbon cutting events of the UTRGV Advanced Manufacturing Research Facility.
An historic day, there are lots of celebrations in your department.
Yes, it's not just our department, the whole college, the whole institution, and also the Rio Grande Valley manufacturing community are all here. Our national partners are here. The Society of Manufacturing Engineers is here, and also American Mix is here. Lots of state level and national level organizations joining us for this event.
Why is it important in your view?
Well, you can tell that manufacturing is an important sector for any country, for any community. If you want to create wealth, if you want to create high-paying jobs, if you want the community to be in a good economic condition, that's what we need here in Rio Grande Valley. So, as a institution, we are doing something that, in my opinion, is historical in Rio Grande Valley to grow manufacturing technology and to train the workers that is needed, and also to bring to the commercialization of some of the technology we have. And I think this is the good future.
No.
Erratic moments.
How rare, how unique is this facility compared to other parts of Texas, other metro areas?
Well, you can tell there's a lot of new toys that is not available elsewhere, not just in Texas, in the state, the United States. And we are fortunate that we were able to bring in some of the advanced technology, manufacturing technology to this facility, and students gonna work on that. They have hands-on experiences that you cannot find in some other institutions, including our peer institutions within Texas.
We interviewed Dr. Sagan, and he was telling me that this is not just a research facility for the faculty and the students. This has very much been designed with the private sector in mind. He wants to hear from the private sector, from manufacturing companies that want to test their new product lines. Listen, he wants to hear about any new projects, big or small, crazy or not crazy. You know, he really does feel this facility can help.
That's right. It can't be a one-way street. It's a two-way street. We want the private sector to be part of this. We want to listen from the private sector, right? What they need. How can we help? In the end, the private sector is going to drive the economy. We are facilitating, we are helping, we are supporting them to be more successful. Some of the labs here are going to become a test bed for industry. We're going to be working on robot-based manufacturing processes, right? This is going to be needed for any manufacturing industry we try to grow here. Robots, AI, so that's something we are growing now. Not only the manufacturing equipment we have, but also some of the high tech that I cannot show you. If those something inside the computer or inside the equipment, that's what the industry would be looking forward to, and we are here to help.
In your remarks today from the podium, you listed a number of the special guests, national entities, your manufacturing partners. I know you don't have your list on you, but can you repeat one or two of them that you can remember?
Yeah.
There were some very prestigious names.
Yes. From the national perspective, we have partners like Georgia Tech, right? NGIT, New Jersey Institute of Technology, and their Innovation Institute. I forgot to mention their name. They are in the Zoom meeting. And also we have UT Austin, University of Houston. We have UT San Antonio. They all are partners. And the national partners, including, Army Research Lab, national labs, Oak Ridge National Lab, Los Alamos National Lab, and many other national laboratories we've been working with. and also Manufacturing Innovation Institute, like a SESME, SciMani in UT San Antonio. But there's so many national organizations we are honored to be partnered with and to be working with. In the end, those represent a different ecosystem, right? Atlanta, Chicago, Austin, Dallas, San Antonio, Houston. I want to make sure we connect the dots. We collaborate not only, at the individual level, but also at a regional level. How do we be connected with those highly matured ecosystem in the other part of the country?
And also in your remarks today, you gave a shout out to Keith Patridge, Keith Patridge from McAllen EDC, retired now, but you described him, or he was described by one of your colleagues, as like the godfather of economic development. How important a role has he played in all of this?
Well, Keith has been, critical to many initiatives along the 30 years of long journey we have had, to promote advanced manufacturing. So he not only worked with us to connect with the industry, with the companies we have in the region, but also he worked with us and reached out to the federal agency to secure funding to support manufacturing operations here. So both that training, education, research, Keith has been very supportive, has been critical to what we are able to accomplish today.
Those were all the remarks I had, Dr. Lee. Is there anything else you would like to add?
Well, I want to thank you, Steve, for covering the things we've been doing. Some of them really, we want the community to be aware, but it's not possible without you. Thank you so much for your support.
Thank you so much. The honor's mine. We all know how important manufacturing is, so very, very pleased to be here today. Thank you for today's interview.
Thank you.